Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Birthday greetings you bring me. Birthday greetings today. May the Father in heaven bless and keep you always. Here's a clap for health, and one for wealth, and one our love to show, and one for each of the years you've lived, and one for you to grow.
Come on, Stella.
Go, go.
Go, Stella.
Oh, come on.
Blow. Blow it.
Get closer.
Come on.
Oh,
yeah. Keep going. Get a little more spit on there.
Now you want that sticker? No. Okay.
See, she's liking that with her teeth.